guys, Sophia here, My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you can grow lettuce in your kitchen? Let me show you how. You are looking at beautiful lettuce that I am growing. Not only lettuce, but also have basil right here. And somewhere in there I have arugula right here. I have 12 plants, pretty much, oh, the basil smells so good. Pretty much 10 lettuces and a few herbs in there. So this is LetPot, L-E-P-O-T. It's a hydroponic system. And this is the second time that I use it and grow lettuce. I was waiting for Mom to be back. We started growing them and then she had to go back to France, so she didn't get to see them this fall. It's basically, yeah, it's hydroponic. It's growing in water. It's very simple to install. It really is a no-brainer. The only thing is that it doesn't come with seeds, so you have to buy your own seeds. And you can grow vegetables, you can grow flowers, and you can grow herbs. I'm thinking this would be perfect for gardeners like me to start your seeds. And then if you had more than one, for instance, you start your seed and then you pull them out and you bring them to your garden, because this is pretty hardy in terms of the lettuce. I have different types. I have red lettuce, I have green lettuce. I have this that looks like a romaine. I can't remember. I put so much stuff in here. They are absolutely delicious. And what I do every day is basically cut a couple of leaves, put them in a sandwich, or just eat a leaf as I pass by. And the herbs are so aromatic. I think this is an awesome gift for Mother's Day. So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to set this up. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, including the price. If I have a coupon code, look down below. And then I'll come back once I'm done. You've seen what they look like, so obviously you know they do grow. It's an awesome gift, it really is. So I'll see you in a bit. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Alright, welcome to my kitchen garden. You're looking at the LetPot hydroponic growing system. This is going to be my second time around. They sent this to me quite a while back ago, and now I'm ready to do a review for it. And I gotta tell you, this is awesome because I literally grew salads in my kitchen. You don't need light because this thing lights up. You just have to add the ingredients, you know, when you run out of water, and you grow lettuces. And what I was doing was pretty much making sandwiches for my breakfast every day, grabbing a couple of leaves of lettuce, putting it in my sandwich, and lasted for at least 2 months worth of lettuce. This will go up and down. I think you can see that. So what happens is basically you fill this up with water. There's a little opening right here. You pour the water in, and it comes with the fertilizer. You have to combine the fertilizers plus 5.5 liters of water, and you put the little sponge in, you put a couple of seeds, you cover it, and then when it starts growing, as they grow, you move this up. It comes with everything, but after you've done it, you need to purchase a new kit. Not a new machine, but a new kit. So the new kit comes with fertilizer A and B. All you have to do is add water to it, shake it, and that's your fertilizer for the duration of your growth season. It also comes with replacement little holders. It comes with a whole bunch of sponges. This will grow 12 plants. So clearly there's plenty for several seasons. And then you also get the little caps. These caps, you put them here initially before your plant starts to grow and sprouted basically. And it's gonna give them kind of like a greenhouse effect. And it also comes with a bunch of stickers, and these go right here on top like this, and it holds the plant, and it also keeps the light from getting in. At the beginning, as they are sprouting, you don't need the actual light from the machine. You can just leave them like this, and once you start seeing a little bit of green, turn the lights on. There's also an app for it that you can install on your phone. It's free. The app really, all it does is kind of like monitors what is what, because technically after a while you kind of forgot. You forget what you planted. It happened to me, but it didn't matter because once they were grown, I knew it was lettuce and not spinach. Okay, so it will also remind you when you need to refill the tank. But in case you don't want to use the app, like me, I don't use those things. There's a little gauge right here with the little yellow that will go up to let you know that your tank is full, and then as it goes down this way, you want to add water and nutrients. So we're gonna prep it and plant seeds and let them grow. So the nutrients, they each come with a little dosing cap right here. And again, this is like a solid. So you want to add water to the bottle, give it a good shake. And same thing for nutrient B. And to prep for the first time, what you need to do is put 25 milliliter of B and 25 milliliter of A, mix it to 5 liter of water and pour it into your machine. So if you're wondering, well, how does this work? All right, let me show you. We're gonna open this, all right? There is a filter right here. It will constantly filter the water. So this is connected right here, and then you connect it to your main power right there. So the filter, after you used it once and you finish a growth season, I would recommend that you wash it. This is what I'm gonna do because you can see there's some roots. And it's really amazing because once it's starting to grow and you're ready to just either take out your plants and start new one, this entire tank here is completely filled with roots. It's an absolute amazing device. I love it, and I've already gifted it to a couple of people, and I hope they enjoy it. So let's wash this and then we're gonna replace it. So I have my water here, and these I mixed, and I'm going to mix 25 milliliter of each into my tank. Okay, so here's 15 plus 10. We get 15 plus 10. That's my second one. And now later on, as you refill the water, every time you refill the water, you just add a cap full. I put a little bit more here because it's the starter. You just add a cap full of each nutrient to the water as you add water to it. I want to make sure it gets mixed. All right, and we gotta add one more. There we go. Do you see the pump working? So this is going to continuously move the water so that you don't have stagnant water that starts smelling, okay? And you see that the lights went on as well. Red, white, and blue, that's for vegetable. I'm gonna move it to flowers. No more blue. You saw that? Okay, let's go back to vegetables. And when you start it, it will automatically stop every 12 hours to give a light rest, just to mimic nature. Let me put this back on. All right, so let's put it back on. What you need to do now is put in your little cocoa earth, soil, whatever. You just put them in. What I do is that I put them in a little bit like this, and they're going to expand. So you got to let them expand a little bit. You got to take in some water. So it's been about 10 minutes and you can see that the cocoa cores are already saturated with water. Good thing. We are ready. So we're going to plant lettuce, chicory, rocket, basil, and red lettuce. So we're gonna do basil right here in the middle. So you get your seeds and you put between 2 and 3 seeds per pod. Okay, these are tiny. All right, we got 1, 2, and 3. Hold on. 3 seeds per pod. Okay, you don't need to tap or anything. You just drop them. They're so small. Okay, 3 seeds. 2, 3. All right, basil is in. And we're ready to go. So anytime you need to refill the water, obviously you're going to check your little gauge here. All you have to do is open right here and dump the water in there. And what you want to do is remember to add your nutrient A and B. Just follow the instructions and that would be it. How easy was that? So I'm leaving it here in the corner of my kitchen, and we're in the middle of winter, okay? You can see I got snow, and in about 3 weeks we'll have lettuce that we can start eating. So this is about 5.5 weeks, and you can see that the water level went down. So I'm going to add water and growth, what do you call it, fertilizer. Okay, you see that? Look at the basil, very nice. This one was one of the late one. And then the one in the back was one of the late one as well that I had to reseed. But these are looking really good, and you can start eating them. Definitely can start eating them. So let me show you how you add the water. So you have your plant food A and B, and all you need is 5 millimeters of each, and you just put them in a bottle. All right, and then you add water all the way up to here, about a liter, right? So you need 5 millimeters of each per liter of water. And you just refill. So you open this right here and you pour your water. Gauge went up, but it's not all the way up, so I'm going to add 1 more liter. Same thing, 5 millimeters of each plant food, A and B. I'm going to pull this, and you're going to see what the roots look like. See the roots? This thing is going to be filled with roots once it's done. So as your lettuce, you plant your flowers, tomatoes, whatever it is you're growing, goes up, you want to move this, right? The light right here. It's articulated, you can see that. So it just goes up and down. Right now I got enough light, it's close enough. You don't want to put it too low, but you also don't want it to be too high.
How cool is this? Isn't it cool? I think it's awesome. I really like it. So again, great gift for Mother's Day. I've gifted a couple already to people that were very meaningful to me. And I have to tell you, it's economical because I got this replacement kit here that I showed you at the beginning of the video. That has the fertilizers, and it has the plugs and the holders, the little cups, everything you need to restart another season. The machine you don't have to repay for, obviously. But these are the plant food A and B, and I still have plenty. So I just refilled the water. I'm all the way on to the top. And I'm gonna keep the lettuce in here. As you cut it, you get new growth. I probably have lettuce until the end of April in my kitchen. This is perfect for apartment living. This is perfect for someone who wants to grow specific herbs, organic and exotic herbs, for instance, that you cannot grow in your area because of your zone. And somebody who just wants to have a little bit of a garden in a dark corner of the house. So this is really cool. I give it 2 thumbs up, A+ for me, one of the best gadgets I've reviewed on the channel. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post another video, whether it's a review or something else on my channel. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge. Check me out on Patreon at patreon.com/mygreatchallenge, and Etsy shop, glasses, all of my links are down below. Thank you for watching, and thank you LetPot for sending me this really cool gadget. I'll talk to you later. Bye!